Welcome to the future of learning. Imagine education that's immersive and tailored just for you. Introducing Smart Reality, a revolutionary app that transforms your course materials into dynamic, interactive experiences instantly.
Hello, I'm your Smart Reality mentor. What would you like to learn about today?
I'd like to learn about jet engines.
Great choice. Let's dive into the world of jet engines.
Please explain how all those components work together.
The high-pressure turbine extracts energy from these gases to drive the high-pressure compressor. This energy extraction is crucial for maintaining the engine's operation. Low-pressure turbine. The gases then pass through the low-pressure turbine, which extracts additional energy to drive the fan. Welcome to the Skills Simulator. We'll be practicing the jet engine maintenance training. I will guide you through each step, explaining the process and pointing to the relevant objects.
Check the landing gear for malfunction.
This is your overview chart and your score is final score, 13%. 1. Focus and attention, score. 2 out of 10. The user struggled to maintain attention during the lecture phase. It's important to listen actively and explore additional resources highlighted by the avatar.
Thank you so much. I'll do even better next time.
Smart Reality, where learning meets innovation. Experience education like never before, anytime, anywhere. Smart Reality, learning reimagined.